Hi, and thanks for showing an interest in the Mutually Agreed Success Criteria workshop. This tool is a great tool for managers who are trying to help their employees to be able to be successful at work. And when you look at goals that employees have at work, sometimes those goals are really crystal clear. The goals just really measure themselves. And other times, you know what, the goals are not so clear. This is especially true for competency-based goals like leadership development, collaboration, innovation, goals like that. But it's also true for other goals as well, like for instance, create a fantastic client interaction. Well, what does a fantastic client interaction actually look like? I think what's really important to understand is that when you have employees who are unclear about what success looks like, they may in fact find themselves working hard but producing results that they're not really happy with, or that you're not happy with, or other stakeholders aren't happy with. In order to give your employees the best chance of success, do this. Use this tool to help them to make sure that they're on the same page when it comes to success as you are, as your clients are, as other stakeholders are. And with that clarity in mind, their effort will pay off tenfold. Looking forward to having you come on the workshop and learning how to use this tool in your work environment. Thanks and take care.